you're in there, and if you don't like the hotel, you give it maybe a 2-star or maybe 1-star rating. But if you give it a 5-star, it will show up at the top of the finding, at the top of your search. So look at that. It's gotten us 20 so far. So here's something that that most people don't know. Usually what I want to do is I want to get those ones with phone numbers and email addresses. There are 20, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down at the bottom and I say search for more, because 20 are very few. Because if I reach out to 20, most likely, and my conversion rate is very good, I'm just going to get in touch with about 3% or 5%, especially if the offer is solid enough, right? However, if it's very, very solid and I think it's something that could add value to them, it could shoot up to 7%, right? So it's going to get those. But as it's getting more hotels, here's what I wanted to show you. So as I get the leads, the most important thing, I hope it's done. It's still searching, right? Okay, as it's still searching, you can see those who have claimed, there's something called Google My Business account. If you've claimed it, it will show you here. If you haven't claimed it, it will also show those who score less than 40%, especially if you're looking for quality leads. You can use this. You can only get those with 100 views or more, especially if you want to work with high-end, 4-star, 5-star, 6, 7-star hotels. It will show you those with 10 GMB photos, right? These are businesses that actually